Canine conception. The best timing for dog mating.
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on a fascinating aspect of dog breeding, figuring out the ideal time for a male and female dog to mate in order to increase the chances of pregnancy. Understanding the canine estrous cycle and its stages is crucial to determining the best timing for breeding.
Understanding the canine estrous cycle.
The female dog, or bitch, doesn't go through menstrual cycles like humans. Instead, she has an estrous cycle, which is divided into 4 stages. 1. Proestrus. This initial stage lasts for about 9 days but can range from 3 to 17 days. During proestrus, the female will attract males but is not yet ready to mate. 2. Estrus. This is the stage where the female is ready to mate. Estrus also lasts about 9 days, but can range from 3 to 21 days. 3. Diestrus. If mating was successful, diestrus is the stage where pregnancy occurs. If not, the female goes through a pseudo-pregnancy phase. This stage usually lasts about 60 days. 4. Anestrus. This is the resting stage, and it lasts until the next proestrus phase begins. For successful conception, mating should occur during the estrus stage of the cycle.
Determining the optimal breeding time.
Determining the optimal time to breed your dogs can be a bit tricky because it involves identifying when the female has entered the estrus phase. The female will generally start accepting the male's attention during the estrus phase, but this isn't always an accurate indicator of her fertility. For more precise timing, veterinarians can conduct several types of tests. A common method is to test the female's hormone levels, specifically progesterone, which can indicate when ovulation is occurring. A vaginal smear can also be done, which involves examining the cells in the female's vagina under a microscope to determine the stage of the estrus cycle. The most fertile period is generally a few days after the beginning of estrus, around day 11 to day 15 of the overall cycle. However, this can vary between individual dogs.
Best practices for breeding.
Once the optimal time has been identified, the dogs can be allowed to mate. It's important to ensure the dogs are in a calm and comfortable environment. Typically, multiple matings are scheduled 2 to 3 days apart during the estrus phase to increase the likelihood of successful fertilization. After the last mating, the female should be checked by a vet in about a month to confirm if she's pregnant. In conclusion, finding the best time for a male and female dog to mate for successful conception requires understanding the stages of the canine estrus cycle and recognizing the signs of estrus. By doing so, you can significantly increase the chances of a successful mating. Remember, if you are unsure, it is always recommended to seek the advice of a qualified veterinarian. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information useful.